How to create Google Play Store account on Android phone. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So creating a Google Play Store account means creating a Google account. So you can do it using any of the Google Chrome application or Google applications or also from Play Store as well. So simply open your Play Store and then on your top right corner, go to your profile icon and then drag down this account button and then go to add another account. Wait for it to check your info, then verify your identity. After that, you will get an option of creating new account. Simply click on it and then select what is the purpose of that account. And now all you have to do is enter your first name. If you want your surname, you can enter that as well. Click on next, and after filling all these blank spaces or forms, your account will be created. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.